Hi dear students, last class we discussed about the linear data structure. In that data structure already you have studied about three linear data structure. First one is a array, second one is a stack, third one is a queue. Okay, these are nothing but these are all the linear data structure. Why these are linear data structure? Because they have a sequential memory locations. Okay, sequential memory location, that's why these are all linear data structure. Already you studied about a array. In that array you have so many algorithms already you studied. In a stack you are studied about push and pop algorithm. Then in a queue you are studied about NQ and DQ algorithm. Okay, last class we discussed about this. Today you want to discuss about another one linked linear data structure. Nothing but this is a linked list. Linked list is a fourth. Okay, it is a fourth one in a linear data structure. Okay, linked list is also one of the linear data structure. Before this, why we have to study this? Why you have to study this linked list? What is the use of a linked list? You know already stack is used for a different purpose. In a computer we can use, and queue is also used for a different purpose. For a printer, if you want to print, it is works on the principle of FIFO. Already you studied. Okay, now today you have to discuss about what is the purpose of linked list. What is the purpose of linked list you have to use? Okay, see, first of all you know about the array. Okay, how to declare array? You already know about the array. First of all, for example, I am writing here int a of 10. Int a of 10. This is one one dimensional array. Okay, how to declare array? Array means, okay, you can declare my data type, how many elements you can store in this, or you can store 10 data, 10 values you can store. In a of 0 you can store in a of 0 you can store 20. In a of 1 you can store 20. In a of 2 you can store 50, like this, 50. You can store up to how many elements you can store in this, up to 10. You can 10 values you can store in this. That is the size. That is the size of example. See, you know, for example, in computer, if you store how many bytes it can occupy, first you have to know how many bytes. Int means 2 bytes. 2 into 10. 2 into 10, how much? 20 bytes it can occupy. It can occupy 20 bytes. Okay, if you give an int a of 10 means how many bytes it can occupy? 20 bytes. For example, 20 get 2 bytes kodutte, 30 get 2 bytes, 50 get 2 bytes. Okay, like this. Okay, 10 into 2 bytes, 20 bytes you can allocate. Okay, how many elements it can store? 10 elements you can store in this. Okay, for example, in computer when you are doing program, how many elements ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? See, you are putting 5 elements. 5 elements 10, 20, 30, 40 ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ. Okay, for example, only 5 elements ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ 5 elements. ಇನ್ನೂ 5, how many elements it can take? Okay, how many elements? 10 elements. Okay, but if you enter only 5 elements means the memory will be wastage. Memory ಏನಾಯಿತು, ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಅರೇ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರೇ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೀವು ಎ ಆಫ್ 10 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಎ ಆಫ್ 10 ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಯು ಆರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 3 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನೂ 7 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಓಕೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೆಮರಿ ವೇಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಟು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ದ ಮೆಮರಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಮರಿ ವೇಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್. You have to use a linked list. Then what is linked list? Linked list is used for to save our memory in computer. To save our memory in computer, you have to use a linked list. Array ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, in array ದಲ್ಲಿ we have a of 10 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ. Instead of given 10 values, we are given only 5 values. Okay, instead of given 10 values, if you give 5 values means, okay, the memory will be wastage. 10 into 10 bytes 5 values ಆಯಿತು, ಇನ್ನು 10 bytes ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. Okay, to avoid this drawback, you have to use a linked list. linked list na use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Then what is linked list? Linked list means it is a collection of, it's a linear collection of nodes. Okay, it is a linear collection of nodes. Okay, then what is node? See, node means what? See, node means here I am writing the nodes. See, here nodes like this. These are nothing but nodes. Okay, these are nothing but nodes. Okay, see, these are what is linear linked list. What is linked list? Linked list means these are nothing but linear collection of nodes. These are nothing but nodes. There are 3 nodes you have. These are the collection of nodes which are linked. Okay, see, these are nodes. These are linked with one another. These are linked. See, these are linked. Okay, see, this is called nodes. These are nothing but 3 nodes I am using in this. Then what is node? These are collection of these are linear collection of nodes. Okay, these are linear collection of nodes which are one node can be connected to another node. Okay, one node can be connected to another node, that is called a linked list antare. Okay, then what is node? Node means nothing but it is a memory chunk. Chunk means memory piece. It is a memory chunk, nothing but memory piece. It is a memory piece, okay, which contains data field and link field. It contains, this is nothing but data field. This is nothing but the link field, which consists of data field and link field. Then what is data field? Data field nothing but it contains value. It contains a value. Okay, the link field means it contains the address of next value. For example I am writing here. See, for example I am writing here 20 is value. Here I am writing 30, then 40. Okay, see, then this is nothing but data field. It contains information or value. Then what is the use of link field? Link field and then one dot to link field. It contains the address of next node. Address of the next node. Address. What is address? Address andre eno? Address means it is a unique number which contains value. See, address 30 the address idra store agutte. It means what? 30 the address idra store agutte andre it means what? Nothing but ಇಲ್ಲಿ address 30 store ಆದಂಗೆ. Address ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? In address we have a value. Okay, in address we have a 30 value. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು store ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? The link field it stores the address of 30. It stores the address of 30. Address means nothing but the value will be stored here. Okay, got it? For example, here in this link field, what it store? It stores the address of next node. Address of next node means 40. 40 to address is store agutte. Nothing but the 40 will be stored here. Okay, this will be extended. ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋ ಮೆಮರಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೇಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮೆಮರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು 50 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. 50 value will be stored. The 50 value will be stored here. Okay, stored here. Okay, like this. This is what is nothing but a linked list antare. And what is linked list? Linked list means these are the linear collection of. These are the nothing but linear collection of nodes. This is one node. This is one node. This is one node. There are 4 nodes I am using. In what is node? Node means this is a memory chunk. It is a memory chunk. It contains 2 fields. One is a data field. Second one is a link field. What is data field? Data field nothing but it contains information or value. Okay, then what is linked field? Linked field, it contains the address of next value. It contains the address of next node. Next node ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಇದೆ. 30 ದು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದ. Okay, 30 ದ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ it can hold the address of 30. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು address of 30 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು nothing but 30 value will be ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 30 value ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, 30 value. Got it? Then here 30 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ 40 ದ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 40 ದ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು 40 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ 50 40 50 50 50 ದ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಹಾಗೆ ಅದು ಲಿಂಕ್ಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. there is no memory will be wastage here. Okay, but in a array the memory will be so much memory will be wastage. Okay, how many elements ಕೊಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೀವು 5 elements ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ, 5 elements ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಾ a of 10 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಾ. a of 10 ಅಂದರೆ instead of entering 10 values you are entering only 5 values, then memory wastage will be happen. But here not like that. in linked list ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮೆಮರಿನ ತಗೋತದೆ. there is no memory will be wastage here. Got it? Okay, that's why you have to use a linked list to avoid the drawback of array. You have to use a linked list. Okay, this is you have to remember. Okay, then what is now you have to discuss about the what is linked list. Linked list means these are the linear collection of nodes which one node can be connected to another node. That is called a linked list. See that then what is node? Node nothing but is a memory chunk contains data field and link field. Okay, data field means it contains information or value. The link field it contains the address. What is address? Address ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? address ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು next node ದು value ಇರುತ್ತೆ. next node ದು value address ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Got it? This you have to remember. Got it? Okay, this is what is about a small introduction of a linked list. Okay, the next one is what are see the next one is types of linked list. So many times in examination they will ask you what are the types of linked list. There are 3 types of linked list you have. First one is SLL, CLL, then DLL. Okay, what is CLL? CLL means singly linked list. CLL means circular linked list. Third one is a doubly linked list. Okay, there are 3 types of linked list you have. In that first one you have to study what is SLL, singly linked list. Singly linked list means in this you have only one link. Every node it has only one link. One link means single link. Okay, this is an example for one singly linked list. Every node it has a single link. Okay, single link. Okay, every node it contains one data field and one link field. Okay, and that's why its name is singly linked list. Okay, here in this singly linked list you have only one link field. Okay, data field it contains value and link field it contains what? It contains the address of next node or address of next value. Okay, 30 address edra store irutte, ee link field alli store irutte. For example 40 address ee link field alli store irutte. Okay, this is what about a singly linked list which has only one single link field. Then circular linked list. Circular linked list means in this see the last node. Okay, the last node it contains the address of first node. Okay, this is called circular linked list. Circular linked list means the last node ಯಾವುದಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ 40 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಿಯರ್ it stores the address of first node address ಯಾವುದಿದೆ 20 ಇದೆ 20 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. This is nothing but circular linked list. Circular linked list means here it will store the address of the first node. It stores the address of first node, that is called circular node antare. Okay, this you have to remember. Just you have to write a definition and diagram. Definition and diagram. Okay, this is called what the circular linked list. Then doubly linked list. Doubly means double. Okay, here we have a two link field. Okay, for example, here you have a two link field. Two link field means how it will work. See, two link field. See, for example, I am writing here one, then two, three. Okay, here I am taking three nodes. Three nodes, it has a always it has a two link field. See, two link field. See, I'm writing 20, 30, 40. See here. Okay, now this is nothing but a doubly linked list. Doubly linked list means what? Doubly linked means every node it contains two link field. Every node it contains two link field in this, but you have only one data field, but you have a two link field in this. See how it is work. See, it contains three parts. This is nothing but Arduino. This is a data field. This is data field. This is nothing but it is called back field. Back field. This is nothing but it is called forward field. Okay, there are three in this node. You have contains three fields. One is the middle is a data field. Second one is a back field. Point this is a forward field. Then what is the use of back field? It contains what? This link field. This link field it contains the address of previous node. Address of previous node. Previous node ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ in this you can store 20 ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 20 will be stored in this. Got it? Then what is forward? Forward in this you can store the address of next node. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 40 ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, forward ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ forward linked list. Okay, see here what is stored 20 address is stored agutte 40 address is stored agutte. That's why it contains two link field. Two link field means okay, that is a doubly linked list. Doubly linked list you have getting a two link field. Okay, two link field means always it contains two link field. The first link field back of the link field ಏನಂತಾರೆ back link field ಅಂತಾರೆ. See then forward link field means it contains the address of next node, but backward it contains the address of previous node address ತಗೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ address of next node ಅಂದ್ರೆ 40 address ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 20 address ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. There is no memory will be wastage. Got it? That is called doubly linked list. So many times 5 marks questions कहते हैं explain the types of linked list. Explain the types of linked list. One is there are three. You have to write a definition, diagram. Got it? This is you have to remember. This is what this is about the linked list. The next, then what are the operations on linked list? 2 marks questions कहते हैं what are the operations on linked list? Already you know same operations. What are the operations on array? These are the operations already you know studied. Operations on linked list. What are the operations? See, one is insertion, deletion, sorting, searching. Here also you have these operations only. Okay, these are nothing but operations on a linked list. Then what are the advantage? One marks question कहते हैं what is the main advantage of linked list? What is the main advantage? Main advantage is of linked list is to save our memory. It will save our computer memory, and in memory management is also very good. By using linked list, okay, we can save our memory very easily. And also you can, by using linked list, you can represent a stack and queue. You can solve stack and queue problems also. Okay, in a degree, if you take computer science or electronics branch in engineering, there you can study advanced linked list. Now in a PUC you have this much syllabus. What is linked list, what is the use of linked list, what are the types of linked list, okay, what are the types of linked list. Okay, then what is node? Node means nothing but it contains, it is memory, it is memory piece, it is a memory piece which contains one data field and link field. What is the use of link field? Link field means it contains the address of next node. Okay, next node address ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮದು ಮೆಮರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯುಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್, memory utilization will be done very easily by using a linked list. Got it? Okay, this is what this is about a linked list. Okay, very small topic you have. This is also one of the linear data structure. Okay, linked list ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತಪ್ಪ ಇದ್ರ ಹೆಸರು? Because here we are using a link field use ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, link field use ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. That's why its name is linked list. It contains list of nodes. It contains list of linked nodes. Okay, it contains a list of linked nodes. That's why its name is a linked list. Okay, this much you have to remember. Okay, in this chapter, the next class we have to go for, these are nothing but these are all the linear data structure. In this chapter you have to learn 4 linear data structure. First one is array, then stack, queue, then linked list. Okay, these are the linear data structure. You know, non-primitive data structure alli you have 2 types. One is a linear data structure, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು non-linear data structure. Next class we have to discuss about the non-linear data structure. Okay, this is, you have to remember, I am sending notes also, you have to write the notes. Thank you.